Hello, so today I'll be talking about UNESCO. So I've got all the details through ChatGPT, the main points. So let's go ahead and read out what all information we have received. So the UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, the full form of UNESCO is this, is a specialized agency of the United Nations that promotes global peace and sustainable development through education, science, culture, communication, and information. So here's an overview. Founding and mission. Established in November 16, 1945, which is today. It was um, founded in 1945. Today is November 16th. Headquarters is in Paris, which is in France. Member states, there are 194 members and 12 associate members as of 2024. What is the mission of UNESCO? To foster international collaboration to strengthen the bonds of humanity and promote cultural understanding, education, and scientific progress. Now, what is the objective? UNESCO aims to promote quality education for all, foster cultural diversity and protect cultural heritage, advance scientific cooperation to address global challenges, defend freedom of expression and access to information. It supports Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). Now, the key programs and activities under it: first, education. Global Education Monitoring GEM report tracks progress on SDG 4, quality education. Education for Sustainable Development (ESD), that is, empowers learners to tackle climate change and sustainability challenges, promotes universal access to education, especially for marginalized groups. Then next one is science. Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission (IOC) focuses on marine research and ocean governance. Man and the Biosphere Program (MEB) promotes the sustainable use of natural resources. Works on climate change, water resources, and artificial intelligence ethics. Next is culture. World Heritage Sites. It protects cultural and natural sites of outstanding universal values, example the Great Wall of China, Serengeti National Park. Intangible cultural heritage safeguards oral traditions, performing arts, rituals, and craftsmanship, addresses illicit trafficking of cultural property. Next is communications and information. It advocates for press freedom and media development, promotes universal access to knowledge and the preservation of digital heritage. Now, World UNESCO World Heritage, one of its most well-known initiatives is the World Heritage Convention, which was done in 1972, which identifies and protects sites of cultural and natural significance. As of 2024, over 1,100 sites are inscribed on the list, categorized into cultural, temples, ruins, and historic cities. Example: Machu Picchu, Taj Mahal. Natural, so national parks and landscapes. Example: Grand Canyon, Great Barrier Reef. And then mixed sites with both cultural and natural significances. Example: Mount Athos, Kakadu National Park. Now, UNESCO also have global campaigns. UNESCO leads campaigns on gender equality, increasing women's participation in STEM and leadership roles, cultural heritage in crisis, protecting sites from destruction during conflicts, example in Syria and Iraq, ocean literacy, raising awareness about ocean conservation. Then next, it's supposed with governance. So, Director General elected for 4 years term. The current Director General as of 2024 is Andre Azoulay. General Conference comprises representatives of all member states and meets biennially. Executive Board manages day-to-day operations and oversees programs. Now, what are the criticisms and challenges it faces? UNESCO has faced challenges including funding issues. Major contributors have temporarily withdrawn funding, citing political disagreements. Example: the US in 2011 over Palestine's membership. Geopolitical tensions, disputes among nations over the recognition of heritage sites. Next challenge is balancing modernity and heritage, reconciling urban development with heritage preservations. Next is recent initiatives 2020s, developing guidelines for artificial intelligence ethics, increasing focus on climate resilience, World Heritage Sites, expanding initiatives to combat misinformation in education and media. So, UNESCO plays a crucial role in building bridges across cultures and advancing the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So, hope the information would be helpful for you. And if anything else you want to add, you can add it in the comment section, which will benefit others who will, you know, view this video or watch the comments. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.